On the outside of the 23 RBS, you'll have front and rear electric stabilization jacks. You have a nice pass-through storage, power awning, an outside shower. You do have a 6-gallon Dometic water heater, and you have a mini fridge and a flat top quick connect grill. In the 23 RBS, you have a walk-around queen bed with 2 side closets and some under the bed storage. This is the entrance door. You can see that there is a Bluetooth speaker, and you have the kitchen. Stainless sink, electric fireplace, convection microwave oven, some upper cabinet storage, 12-volt fridge, smart TV. Then you have a freestanding table with a U-shaped dinette, as well as some upper cabinet storage. In the back of the trailer, you'll have 2 additional compartments. Here you can see the 3-burner stovetop, and we'll go to the back bathroom, where you can see you have a Dometic toilet, stainless sink, as well as some upper cabinetry. Stand-up shower with a skylight, some additional shelving, and a rear view from the 23 RBS. Let's take a look at the outside.